Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the advantages of macOS operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Advantages of macOS operating system. macOS, the operating system developed by Apple Incorporated for its Macintosh line of computers, offers several advantages to users. Here are some of the key advantages of macOS. Number one, user interface UI design. macOS is known for its sleek and user-friendly interface, providing an aesthetically pleasing and intuitive user experience. The dock and menu bar offers easy access to frequently used applications and system settings. Number two, integration with Apple ecosystem. Seamless integration with other Apple devices and services such as iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and iCloud. Hands-off and continuity features allow users to start tasks on one device and continue on another. Number three, App Store and software quality. The Mac App Store provides a centralized location for downloading and updating applications. macOS tends to have a curative selection of high-quality applications, often optimized for the platform. Number four, security and privacy. Historically, macOS has been less prone to malware and viruses compared to other operating systems. Features like Gatekeeper, File Vault, and privacy controls contribute to a secure computing environment. Number five, stability and performance. macOS is designed to work seamlessly with the hardware it runs on, resulting in stable and efficient performance. Resource management is generally well or optimized, providing a smooth user experience even on lower-end hardware. Number six, time machine backup. Time Machine is a built-in backup solution that makes it easy for users to back up their entire system and restore it to a specific point in time. Number seven, accessibility features. macOS includes a range of accessibility features, making it more inclusive for users with disabilities. VoiceOver, magnifier, and other features enhance usability for people with different needs. Number 8, developer tools. macOS is favored by many developers, especially those in the software development and creative industries. Xcode, Apple's integrated development environment, or IDE, is widely used for macOS, iOS, watchOS, and tvOS app development. Number 9, updates and upgrades. So regular updates and new macOS versions are typically free and easily accessible, providing users with latest features and security improvements. And then lastly, we have your support and community. Apple offers robust customer support, and there is a large community of users who share tips, troubleshooting advice, and software solutions online. It's important to note that individual preferences and needs vary, and while macOS has these advantages, users may choose their operating system based on their specific requirements and preferences. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the advantages of using macOS operating system by Apple. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.